PBC! I got a pit barrel cooker in the mail today. Let's open it up and put it together. All right, I have not opened this yet. Obviously, you can tell from the tape. Look at that, they got a special personalized note for me. Looks like it's handwritten. All right, right on top, we got some rubs, which I knew I was gonna get. They come in every package. Got some all-purpose rub and a beef and game rub. It's a pretty good sized package, just 5 ounces each. Looks like I got a sticker and the manual, the how to assemble manual. That's the lid assembly. And this is how to put it together. But I see it's in Japanese. It's a good thing I speak a little Japanese. And then we have a brochure talking about all the different accessories and such. And then a kind of a postcard kind of thing with Noah and Amber Glanville. I'm guessing he's the owner of the company. Let's move that out of the way. Got the lid here. Just break it and get it out. Let's attach the handle there. This is the horseshoe handle and the 8 hooks. I guess the hooks for hanging the food. There's the handle and 8 hooks and a screwdriver to attach the handle. I have a little open-ended wrench with 2 different sizes, one on one end, one on the other. For I'm not quite sure yet. We'll find out later. Obviously, it's the stand for the barrel to sit on. Block. Cooking grate. I don't know what else you would do on it besides cooking, but it's great. And got an attachable ash pan. Now this does not come standard with the box. In my opinion, and this is only my opinion, if a cooker has an option for a ash catcher, it should come standard with the cooker. I mean, even the cheapest Weber 22-inch grill you can get, which I have behind the camera, obviously a different grill, same principles, catching the ash to make it convenient for you to empty out. It's kind of got a mirror finish. Hey, what you doing right there? But that's my opinion. I would rather have not had to pay a few extra bucks for something like that. Got the little handle for grabbing onto the hooks to lift your food out. I had got an extra one of those, so I don't know where it's at in the box. I wanted to have 2, you know, just in case you got some food with 2 hooks in it. I've seen some YouTube videos where the guy goes to grab the one and then it's kind of awkward trying to either get the other hook or put your glove on and grab the rebar. So I'm supposed to have 2 of these. Charcoal chamber. Just break it. The ash pan is here. Have these notches here and notches in the bottom of the ash pan. No, of the charcoal chamber. It just kind of rotates on there. So if this wasn't here, of course the ash would just fall straight to the bottom of the barrel, and then to clean it out you'd have to lift up the whole barrel, get ash all over the inside of the barrel, and feel like you have to clean it off every time you go to cook. At least that's my thought. And then we've got the actual barrel itself. And it's got the adjustable vent or damper, which you will adjust according to your elevation. And you got the pit barrel logo here. Oh, you got this box right here. I guess this is the rebar. Oh, there's my extra hook. Good. So I've got 2 of them. And the 2 pieces of rebar, which let me show you. Right there. There's the cooker. The rebar goes inside the holes. See the holes here. And from what I understand, not having read the manual yet, this helps. You have to have these in to keep this hole open a certain amount, because that is for airflow from the bottom damper and out of these holes. It's supposed to maintain a particular temperature. So I guess I'll find out when I start cooking on it. All right, so let's put this together. It's gonna go right here on the deck. Now I may end up getting a like a large paver stone or some kind of a protective mat or something like I have from a Weber Smoky Mountain behind me, just to help protect the wood from the heat. So what's next is the smoker itself, and then the ash tray and the charcoal chamber, and the rebar. I guess the cooking grate before that, rebar. And then the top, which I will install the handle in a minute. I guess I want to turn it around to see the logo. There you go. Let me get the handle on. But before I do the handle, you can see in the manual, it shows you what each setting should be for the elevation. So let's look here. So it looks like a quarter of the way open for from 600 to 1500 meters, or 0 to 2000 feet. Then halfway open for 2000 to 5000 feet. 3/4 of the way open, 5000 to 8000 feet. And completely open if you were 8000 feet or above. I just noticed the two hooks I have are two different colors, so I don't know if they're the same wood or if it's, looks like one of them's smaller and not as thick in diameter, so I'm guessing maybe they're each turned individually on a lathe and maybe stained. I'm guessing it's a stained wood, not just a hardwood like Paduke or something like that. And here are the little tools needed to put the handle on. Looks like two little fiber washers. They're not steel. A couple of nuts and a couple of bolts. So I'm guessing if I put it like this, it'd be kind of off center. So I'm gonna turn it around like this, so that way when I pick it up, center of the handle, center of the lid rather. Washer and a nut. So that's what the little wrench was for. It is stinking humid out here, by the way. PBC! North Georgia. PBC! Last day of May. PBC! That'll do. Nice. Watched enough videos on YouTube. What you do is you take this, you take it and hang it right here when not in use. Pretty cool. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'm going to be doing some more videos cooking with the cooker. I'm going to break it in, doing some easy stuff like ribs and chicken and stuff like that. But I want to do a turkey for Thanksgiving this year, and I want to try to do a brisket. I've never done brisket before. Love it if you subscribed, so you can keep up with the videos I'm doing. So be looking forward for more cooking videos, grilling videos, barbecue smoking videos in the future. And I'll see you around. Talk to you later. Bye.